Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my go-to summer routine. My hair is looking completely crazy, which is fine because we're about to fix it. I only do my hair once a week, so this is what it looks like by the time it's time for a new routine, time for a wash and go, re-up. I'm gonna think. So the background is different. We just moved, and I'm still trying to figure out where I want to film and how I want to film, but for this video I'm just going to film in the bathroom and we're just going to call it a day. Hopefully you can still see everything and just work with me. So for my go-to summer routine, I've been loving the OGX coconut curls product, so that's what I'm going to be using in this video. Let's see, there you go. I'm going to be using the coconut curls hair butter. That's what I'm going to be using to style, as well as it's in this little goodie bag because I had to repurchase it and I couldn't find it in the stores, so I had to order it off Walmart.com and they didn't have the big bottle, so I just got 2 bottles just so I didn't have to go through this process again so soon. This should last me at least a month or 2. Sealed to prevent leaking. Isn't that a beautiful thing? That's so depressing to get a product and it's spilled all out in the packaging, in the box, or in the bag. So shout out to Walmart for trying to protect our natural hair products. But if you are interested in my go-to summer routine, then just keep watching. My hair looks crazy. Everything is still like in boxes, so I don't even know where anything is. I'm sitting here trying to do a routine and I don't even have my clips, but it's okay. I got them. Okay, so please continue. Hey guys, so this is how my hair turned out after using the OGX Coconut Curls products. I did my hair Sunday night, and this is actually, today's Tuesday, so I did it Sunday night, so I don't count that. Like, first day hair was Monday, so this is second day hair, and this is how my hair, dried. I really like using these products because it always gives me a light hold. My hair is not super weighed down, and it still gives you definition. Like, I didn't use a gel or anything to get this kind of crazy definition, so I always like pairing those products together. I just wanted to come back and show you guys how my hair turned out. So this concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.